Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a date night look. So today is my husband's birthday and he's going out with a few friends of his and he doesn't know that I am going to surprise him and I'm going to be there too. So if you want to see the look I create for our cute little birthday date night with friends, then just grab a snack, water bottle, anything, and sit back and keep on watching. So I'm gonna go through this fairly quickly. I've already cleansed and moisturized my face. I did my brows already, and I'm gonna go in with primer. I'm using my NYX Shine Killer because I am going to be outside and it is pretty warm here in Florida. So I am not wanting to be oily. Okay, so we are going to go on to the eyes. So I'm actually going to use the Femme Rosa palette, the She palette I should say, with the collaboration Karrueche and ColourPop. I have the entire collection. I have her face palette and I have her lip trio plus her eyeshadow palette and then her lip liners. So I'm excited. Let's jump right in. I'm going to use my ColourPop concealer as my eyeshadow base. And like I said, we're going to run through this pretty quickly. I'm going to use one of my little sponges. Nice and primed. I'm going to use a little bit of my Airspun setting powder, excuse me, just to set that. So yeah, today's my hubby's birthday and I'm trying to surprise him, although it's not working like I want. But we'll see. We'll see. I got this. So yeah, I am gonna go in with this color in my crease. And I'm going to use my Eco Tools dual-ended brushes. Let's just get that in there. It's a nice peach color. You really want to build your color in the crease. Next I'm going in with this color. I'm just going to go a little lower than I put the other color. Now I'm gonna go in with my other dual-ended brush. And I'm gonna go into this deeper color right here and I'm just gonna focus that really on my outer corners. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with this color here. This color here. And that's gonna go all over my lid. And then I'm gonna go back into this deep color right here and I'm going to just make a little transition. for now we're set with the eyes. Shadow. Now we're gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with my waterline. And this is the Essence Extreme Lasting Eyeliner in Blacklove. I'm also gonna tightline with it. Now I'm going to go in with a wing liner just because we're going out. So I'm using the Essence, the cushion eyeliner, and I'm probably going to do this off camera. So I'll be back with my wing liner. As you can see, I put on my liner and I put on some mascara. I used the Worth the Hype mascara by NYX, and I am now putting on some false lashes, and I'm gonna get ready to do my face in a few minutes. So when I come back, I'll have my lashes on. So I'm back and I have my lashes on now to do my face. So we're gonna go in. I already put primer on. I'm going in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless today. If you want to know what kind of lashes I'm using, I bought these actually in iMats. They are the Demi Wispies in black. I kind of just came like this. And then I used the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And now let me go get my beauty sponge. I'm in a rush, so I'm making a little tiny bit of a mess. So, right. Next, I'm going to go in with that ColourPop concealer. And this is in Beige 25, in case you want to know. Being that I'm in such a rush, I'm not really going to contour my face or my nose or anything, because I am in a rush. I'm going to highlight a few things. Okay, now I'm going to go in and I'm going to, with my Airspun powder, I'm going to set my entire face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the face palette. And this is how it looks. It looks a little warm, but we will go with it. Yes, that's pretty warm. But I like it. Just a really light hand. Light. Now we're gonna go in with the blush. Oh, this blush is really pretty. It's like a really nice rosy toned blush. And again, because these are super pigmented, I'm going with a really light hand. I'm gonna save my highlight because I'm gonna go and finish my under eyes. So going back into that first color that we, right here, we're gonna take that and I'm going to sweep that under the eye, right there. And do sort of a smoky look. Then just building that same color, I'm gonna go in with that other darker color. Now I'm gonna go in with my angled brush, and I'm gonna go in with this deep color right here. I'm gonna go really close to the lash line with it. I'm gonna go in with my smudger brush. I'm just gonna smudge all that out. Really. The light hand. Now we don't really have a dark color in here, so I'm gonna take this dark purple and let's just play around and see what color this is gonna give me. Just to go on the outer end. I think that looks beautiful. Now for inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna get in to that beautiful inner corner. Really pack that in there. Give it a pop. Okay. I actually like the way that that looks. Let's sweep a little bit in there. Perfect. And I'm gonna take this Goldie highlight here, and this is in the color Lassie. I didn't even tell you the color of the bronzer. The bronzer is Dame and the blush is Mistress. So with my ColourPop small fluff brush, I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna sweep that right across. It's not that pigmented, which is good. Oh, there you go. Very good. Some across my brow bone. Perfect. I'm going to take this same brush that I did my inner corner and just put slightly so on my brow bone. So for setting spray, I'm using the Victoria's Secret Make It Last Prime and Set Makeup Spray. I've got 3 liquid lips here. One is a gloss and 2 are ultra satin. Everybody knows I love the ultra satin, so I'm gonna pass on the gloss tonight. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with Mrs. For the lip liner, I'm gonna go with Chi because the others are pretty dark. And let me get my, I'm gonna plump up my lip. I'm excited. I really like this look. Let's put This is such a pretty color. It almost reminds me of Dreamy. Which is by far like my favorite ColourPop lip. All right, let me go get dressed, do my hair, and I'll be right back. This is the final look. I'm already dressed. I put my hair half up, half down, added some jewelry, and I'm ready to go on my birthday date with my husband and his friends. So if you enjoyed watching me put on my makeup super fast for this date night, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is on Mondays, Thursdays, and sometimes Saturdays, depending on the week. So I see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.